Want Majesty? Oh, come you not post a video? It's your girl Majesty and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share some Jamaican expressions with you. So let's get into it. Number 1, want. Now that simply means what's happening, what's going on. Let me use it in a sentence for you. Want. Oh, come in and hear from you. Simply meaning like, what's happening? Why haven't I heard from you? You know, want Majesty? Oh, come in and post a video. Anyway, next one. Number 2, away the pan. That simply means like, what you doing? What's going on? Let me give you a scenario. Say for instance, you wanted to link up with someone later in the evening or later in the week. You could simply call them and be like, yo, away the pan later. Alright, yo, away the pan Thursday. Simply meaning like, yo, what you doing on those days? Like, I'm trying to see you. Like, what you doing? Number 3. Now, you don't even have to be Jamaican to know this one. Everyone knows this one and everyone is using it now. Well, from what I know, everyone is using it now. And it is simply wagwan. And it means hi, hello, hey, what's going on? That's just how Jamaicans say hi to each other. Wagwan. Okay guys, that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please be sure to comment, subscribe, share and like, and feel free to tell me what going on and what I'm in the comments. I'll be reading them and liking them as per usual. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and please stay safe. I love you all. Bye.